It's a cold morning in West Tisbury. I'm on my way to Lamberts Cove. Made sure to dress extremely warm. It's a beautiful path to walk down, so I figured that will warm me up. It's about 34 degrees with a 20-mile-an-hour gust of wind, which makes it pretty nippy. You know, it's my want to get out, my want to be with nature, and to clear my head before I head back to New York City. I'll be driving there tonight. And this just gives me some solace and some serenity away from the busy city. I meditate, and I have my drone. I'm gonna take it up in the air. I got my towel, and I got my chair. It'll be nice to sit down while I'm out there. Won't be able to stand, and you can put the towel over my head. It'll kind of give me more of a base as I fly the drone.
I first went down this path on my father's shoulders when I was nearly a year old. And after all the years, this path never gets old. It's one of my favorite places to be as I walk through the woods and end up at the end, over the hill, looking out over the ocean. When I got to the beach, it was 10 times windier than I had expected. But being as crazy and as stubborn as I am, I still put the P4 Pro up in the air to see what it could do against the heavy winds.
The wind is whipping unbelievably hard right now, and you can see the Phantom 4 Pro is just, it's acting unbelievable under these conditions. I cannot believe how well it is doing. It's got to be blowing almost 30 mile an hour, at least 27 mile an hour winds. You've got white caps in the water, as you can see. It's unbelievable how well it's performing. If you need a drone that's not as big as the Inspire, that has that professional essence to it, that will actually maneuver and get almost any shot you need, even if it's a pretty heavy wind, you're able to maneuver in the air with the Phantom 4 Pro. I don't advise taking out your Phantom 4 Pro in wind like this, but I just like to push the boundaries and see what this drone can really handle as far as the environment. And it's doing great. It's actually impressed me beyond my beliefs. So the crazy thing about today is, look, I mean, there's no trees blowing at all. Flying the drone right here would be nothing. It's amazing how much the land blocks the wind. I mean, you wouldn't even know. Look, these leaves aren't even blowing around. These trees, nothing is blowing here. You can hear the ocean in the background, but nothing is blowing that hard. I never would have guessed when I hit the water that it would have been blowing so hard. Unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and have a great day.